when I do these grocery hauls, I always get a thumbs down. If you don't like this video, keep it moving. How you feeling? Tired? No? You feel like your lip big? Can you smile? Hey y'all, this is Mama India from the Coleman Crew as well as the Coleman Crew Kids, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be short and sweet, which consists of, hold on y'all, I'm about to hit a bump. Okay. That consists of this month's grocery haul, which is, what month is this, May? Yeah. May grocery haul from Walmart. I'm not able to get the meat today from the meat market. Being that I have a nail appointment at 4 o'clock and my husband didn't want me to be pushing for time, being that we do have to unload all these groceries, it's 2:14. Now y'all know Texas roads are messed up. I'm sorry. However, yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I got tape. It's so serious, y'all. My nails, it's real. The struggle is real. I've been had to tape my nails. They done held out since May. Why am I get these months mixed up? Since March. My nails have held out since March for my birthday. These the same nails, and I will be definitely getting them cut down for Mother's Day. 1, 2, 3 of them taped up. I done been cleaning up, and they done got snagged to holes and stuff in chairs in the dining area. It just been hurt my little fingers up. Can I beat this light? I'm about to push it. I did it. Don't play with it. Don't play with me. Period. I beat that light. So yeah, I have plenty enough time to unload these groceries, get myself together for my appointment, and not feel like I'm being rushed like I'm always feeling. So that was another hole. Sorry. So yes, we're headed to the house. I grabbed 2 rotisserie chickens, 1 lemon pepper, 1 is traditional, some sandwiches that they had made up because I'm sure my husband has not had time to cook. And man trying to check to make sure I ain't got a car coming. What you would have told me? Mama, you can't pull over? Huh? He be trying to see too, y'all, like me. He picked up this brown butter caramel, y'all. I've never had this. And it kind of not a good taste. Probably give it to the kids. It's too caramelish. I don't like that. Probably be good on some ice, blended in with some ice or something, but yeah. When I get to the house and unload these groceries, y'all will see if I have time to record today the stuff. I did try to record of the process of the many steps I take before we make groceries, which of course, you clean out your refrigerator, you clean out your freezers, open up all your cabinets, closet area, pantry area, whatever, the refrigerator, from the deep freezer to the freezer. Figure out what it is you already have, what you don't have, and what you need. Make that list up. Mark down how many items you need to grab to keep it, keep a good stock. I didn't have to pick up as many items this month. Thank God. When I do these grocery hauls, I always get a thumbs down. If you don't like this video, keep it moving. Your thumbs down do not hurt me, but I'm just letting you know, everybody make groceries the way they want to make groceries. We are a family of 10. Not 2, not 4, not 1. We eat how we eat. Y'all eat how y'all eat. I get vegetables. I get enough of protein. I get enough of fruit. I get enough of snacks. I get whatever is needed monthly for my household. My kids don't eat. We don't eat as much as junk as it seems like, oh, she got a whole bunch of snacks and stuff from Walmart. Y'all missed the point that when I go to the meat market, that's a whole buggy full of different meats. We cook. We from Louisiana. We cook, we eat, and my kids are not unhealthy, meaning unfit. Forgive me, I'm not trying to call names to if your child is, on the healthier side, but I'm just trying to make a point. I always get a thumbs down every month when I post my grocery haul. If you don't like this, just keep it moving. This all positive vibes over here. Ain't nothing negative coming our way. Like I said, we make groceries the way we make groceries. Y'all make groceries the way y'all make groceries. Okay. Also, if you need help making a list of or stocking, just like I said, make that list up. Figure out what it is you need, what it is that y'all like, any food ideas, recipes. Google some recipes and just do it like that. Before for y'all seasonings for y'all recipes, Google Tasty Touch Seasoning, which is our business, our seasoning blend business. We have 4 different tastes: regular, spicy, extra spicy, and lemon pepper. Again, that is regular, spicy, extra spicy, and lemon pepper. Tasty Touch Seasoning. I'm going to forever promote our brand, our company, our business, trying to come off the ground. But yeah, we are almost to the house. We about to unload these groceries and stock them up. Don't forget, when you do make groceries, you pull all your old items to the front, put all the newer items to the back. You know why? Because those older items that was already in there from whenever you last picked up groceries, those dates may be a little different than these newer groceries that you'll be picking up. So rotate your items. Rotate those items. That makes plenty of sense. To save storage space in your freezers, unload those boxes of packages. Get rid of all those boxes of items and just pack them in the freezer with Ziploc bags if you need. Ziploc bags for your meats and stuff to seal them up really good, to break down that taking up all that room in the freezers or in the refrigerator, So yes, I am parking, and stay tuned for more. Before I post more of this particular video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you haven't already. Share this video if you haven't, or grab you some ideas, take you some notes if you need to. Be sure to subscribe to the Coleman Crew kids. I'm sorry, the air is blasting. It is hot outside. My son is over here looking like a gothic with all this freaking black on, y'all. Like it's wintertime. Y'all, I got like 4 pieces of ice with my little water. It's good and cold. So yes, stay tuned for more. I almost forgot, before I wrap this video, be sure to go over to our friends Chaotic Country. They was the first to ask for our free sample, and I didn't know who they were, so I sent them out. This is the regular. She tried it on some potatoes, and those potatoes look so delicious. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe to them, as well as Just Kaya TV. I do not have that particular video, but this isn't her first time trying our seasonings out. However, for Trending Kids, this is their first time, and she said that it tastes like Popeyes, y'all, no lie. So be sure to order from www.tastytouchseasoning.com. See you guys in the next video. Bye.